Hey everyone, so in today's video, we're going to be testing out the rice robot and starting off with something simple as far as just making rice with the rice robot. And I do want to thank Rice Robot for actually gifting this rice cooker to me. But I just want to quickly go over what's inside of the rice robot. So we have the steamer plate right over here. You have a spoon, which is included. Then you have the power plug. You have 2 cups here. So the blue cup is for the water and then the clear cup is for the rice. So 1 cup of rice usually equates to 1 cup of water using both of these. And do note that the cup of water is slightly bigger. And then you have the ceramic nonstick bowl. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and plug this in. I'm going to go grab some rice in this cup here. And then I'm going to grab some water. Do note that if you do need to rinse your rice, do make sure to do so, just because this doesn't include a strainer. So I'm just going to be doing that off camera and getting that all prepped up. So with my 1 cup of rice here, I'll go ahead and rinse this out really quickly. So now with the rice strained and cleared out, I'm just going to go ahead and throw it into the rice cooker or into the ceramic bowl. And then we're going to use the blue cup and just fill this up to the top. And then we're going to pour the water into the ceramic bowl that we have here. So what I like to do is I just like to shake it up to make sure that the rice is evenly distributed. So with that power plug, we're going to go ahead and plug it in. And so one thing I noticed right off the bat is the power plug is really short. Okay, so this is intended to be primarily for dorms or apartments or camper vans or during camping. So now that the rice cooker is turned on, you can see that's at warm. We're going to set it to cook and it should be good to go. So we're going to check it out when it's done and see how the rice turns out. Now, one thing that Rice Robot really prides itself in is the amount of different recipes that you could actually make using the Rice Robot. It's not just limited to just rice, but you can make basmati, pasta, all sorts of different kinds of rice, but I'll be testing that out as well. So the rice is ready now. Oops. I guess this is how to open it. So it looks good. Now, important things to note is this definitely takes a considerable amount of less space compared to other rice cookers. The top and the ceramic bowl is dishwasher safe. I would just wipe down the edges and the rims to keep that clean as well. This can cook up to 4.5 cups of rice or 4.5 cups of food. So I'd say at most 4 cups of rice inside of this bowl. But overall, pretty happy with it. I mean, I'm going to be trying out other recipes and letting you know how those turn out. But once again, thank you Rice Robot for gifting this to me. And I'll see you guys all in the next video.